again, our topic for today is solving the quadratic equation by quadratic formula. So, originally, we have 4 ways on how to solve a quadratic equation. Number 1 is by extracting the square roots. Number 2 is by factoring. Number 3 is by computing the square. And lastly, by using the quadratic formula.
Step 1. Write into standard form if needed. Ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0.
Find the value of a, b, and
Step 3. Substitute the values of a, b, and c in the quadratic formula.
Step 4. Simplify the equation.
Quadratic formula. X equals negative b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a.
Write into standard form if needed. 2x squared plus x transpose 28 to the left side, so it will become negative 28 equals 0.
Find the value of a, b, and c. The value of a is 2, then the value of b is 1. The value of c is negative 28.
Substitute the values of a, b, and c in the quadratic formula. Our quadratic formula is x equals negative b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. The value of b is 1, so it becomes negative 1 plus minus square root of, again the value of b is 1, so 1 squared minus 4. The value of a is equals to 2. Then the value of c is equals to negative 28. All over 2, the value of a is equals to 2.
Our first step is simplify the equation. Negative 1 plus minus square root of 1 multiplied by itself is 1. Then negative 4 multiplied by 2 equals to negative 8. Then negative 8 multiplied by negative 28 equals to positive 224. Then 2 multiplied by 2 equals 4. Then let's add. 1 plus 224 equals to 225 all over 4. So let's get the square root of 225. Then the square root of 225 is 15 all over 4. So negative 1 plus 15 over 4. Negative 1 plus 15 equals to positive 14 over 4. Divided by 2 is equals to 7 over 2. Then negative 1 minus 15 over 4. Then negative 1 minus 15 equals to negative 16 over 4. Divided by into 4. Negative 16 over 4 is equals to negative 4.
Example number 2. The given is 4x squared minus 5x plus 1 is equals to 0. Then determine the values of a, b, and c. 4 is equals to letter a, b is equals to negative 5, c is equals to positive 1. Then, write the quadratic formula. The quadratic formula is x equals negative b plus minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Then, negative b substitute to negative 5. Plus minus the square root of negative 5 squared minus 4. A is equals to positive 4. C is equals to positive 1. All over 2a is equals to positive 4. Negative multiplied by negative 5 is equals to positive 5. Plus, minus. Negative 5 multiplied by itself is equals to positive 25. Negative 4 multiplied by positive 4 is equals to negative 16. Negative 16 is equals to positive 1 is equals to negative 16. Over 2 multiplied by 4 is equals to positive 8. Next. Positive 5 plus minus square root 25 minus 16 is equals to positive 9 over 8. Positive 5 plus minus the square root of 9 is equals to positive 3 over 8. Next. Positive 5 plus 3 over 8. 5 plus 3 is equals to 8 over 8. Then divide is equals to 1. Next. Positive 5 minus 3 over 8. 5 minus 3 is equals to positive 2 over 8. Then, divide it to 2 is equals to 1 over 4 or 4.